I'm here to talk about unemployment in India. The employment scenario of India is quite disappointing, and there is acute unemployment and underemployment in India. The problem of unemployment as the problem of poverty interrelate. It is considered to be the biggest challenge to development planning in India. And this increase in unemployment in rural areas is expected to accelerate migration to the urban areas, and it is likely to increase the pressure on limited infrastructure in urban areas. And at the same time, the capability of the state to create a job for the people in general or even for a certain vulnerable section of the population is extremely limited in the present climate of the economic liberalization and the nature and extent of the unemployment in India, and the policy measure to correct the unemployment are explained uh, in Indian economy. So, India being a developing economy, the nature of unemployment sharply differs from the one that prevails in a developed countries. In a developed countries, the unemployment is due to the deficiency of the effective demand, and it is mostly cyclical in nature. In India, unemployment is a multidimensional phenomenon, and it is not restricted to any one sector or group of population, or it is a widespread problem affecting almost every segment of the society. And the nature of unemployment in country is analyzed by classifying the unemployment into the rural unemployment and the urban unemployment. Um, since a large percentage of Indian population resides in the rural sector, and the main occupation as agriculture and allied activities, it gives rise to the problem of the rural unemployment. It is generally divided into the disguised unemployment, seasonal unemployment, and open unemployment. And industrial unemployment and educated unemployment is widely existed in urban areas, but nowadays it is in a rural too.